If your business pays advertising related payments to digital companies which have their permanent establishments outside of India of over 1 lakh in a year, you have to pay 6% equalization levy, which is also called Google tax. Now, what exactly is this? If you're making payments for advertising to online companies, these could be companies like Google, Facebook, Amazon, Twitter, any other online platform which does online advertising, and the invoice that you receive from these companies in return for such advertising payment is not from their India entity, but from a foreign entity. Now, this foreign entity could be in the US, it could be in Ireland, it could be in Mauritius, it could be wherever in the world, but not in India. If that is the case, and your advertising spend through these companies is over 1 lakh in a financial year, you need to be paying additional 6% of the amount spent to the government here in India in the form of equalization levy, which means that your advertising bill is not just 1 lakh now, it's 1,06,000. This is done because these digital companies who are not registered in India and earning money from Indian businesses in excess of 1 lakh in a year on account of advertising payments are not paying any tax to India. So it's just a way for them to bring them in the tax bracket. If you do not make this payment, this entire amount may actually not be allowed as an expense deduction for the calculation of your taxable profit. Also, there is a Form 1 which has to be filed on the income tax website, which gives details of all the equalization levy paid throughout the year. Discuss it with your CA, ensure you're compliant.